Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Snyder. I was just wanting to introduce you to some fractions. First, we're going to talk about parts of a region. So, parts of a region, if we talk about fractions, just in general, what a fraction is, when we represent a fraction, we have our numerator, which is the top number, our denominator, which is the bottom number, and your numerator describes how many parts there are that are being described. Your denominator tells how many parts are in all. So if you think about a fraction, if you simplify it down into kind of what we've talked about this year, we have part over whole. So if you look over here, this is part of a region. The region is our square here, and the square has a total of 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our whole is going to be 4. And the number of parts that are shaded, so the part, our numerator, is going to be 1, 2, 3. So our numerator is going to be 3. So let's do some examples of that. So if this is my fraction, and if we're talking about parts of a region, we are going to have our fraction over here. And so let's talk about how many parts there are in all. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's a total of 7. So my denominator will be 7. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my numerator is going to be 6. So my fraction for this would be 6/7. If we try another one. For this one, we have 2 parts that are shaded, so my numerator is going to be 2. And then my denominator, we have to do a little bit of investigating here. We have 2 parts, and if we were to look on the other side, there would be another 2 parts over here. So there would be a total of 4 parts here. So 2/4 is our fraction. So that's parts of a region. And then let's take a look at parts of a set. So parts of a set is, I don't know why that's not opening. Let's try closing this one first. There we go. Parts of a set is going to be really similar. So we have our part, which is going to be our numerator, and our whole is going to be our denominator. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares. So we're going to shade 4 of them. So we have one. Let's get a different pen here. One that's going to be a little bit more. There we go, a little thicker. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that are shaded. So that's parts of a set. We have this one, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and we're going to shade 2 of them. So 2/5 would be 1, 2, 2/5. Okay, that is our lesson for the day. And I know it was a quick and short one. We are going to work on, I have on Google Classroom, I have a worksheet for you guys to work on to practice this. It has 2 pages. One is parts of a region and one is parts of a set. So good luck. Let me know if there's any questions that you have on this. Thanks. Bye.